Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the topic named as control structures, chapter 6. We are in chapter 6, named as control structures. Introduction to control structures. We are well known in control structures, I think. In 11th standard, we are already discussed about types of control structures. The same thing is discussed here with some changes. So now we are going to discuss about introduction of control structures. That is nothing but program contains set of statements. We know very well program means a set of statements. We need to skip a set of statement and execute another statement is known as alternative. Sequential means it will execute more than one statement at the time without any break. If there is no break means that is known as sequential. If in some circumstance we need to skip some things in our day-to-day life itself, we skip some of the things. Likewise in programming language we need to skip some of things and move ahead to the another thing. So that kind of thing is known as alternative or branching. Suppose we are execute set of things, that means we are doing 10 works at the time means that is known as, that thing is known as iterative or looping. The same thing is discussed here, that is set of elements that may be executed multiple times, that is known as iterative or looping. Looping means it will be executed till the condition becomes false. Whether the condition becomes false, then only the loop will be stopped. So this is the introduction. Then control structures. Control structure is nothing but it's a program that causes jump of control from one part to the another part of the program. That means it will jump from one part to another part. For example, if part it will jump to the else part, or it will jump from one if part to another if part, that is known as. Here we are discussed three important control structures. One is sequential. First one is what? Sequential. Second one is alternative or branching. Third one is iterative or looping. First one is sequential. Second one is alternative or branching. Third one is iterative or looping. First topic is sequential. Sequential is nothing but the sequence of statement that may be executed continuously, one after another continuously. That is known as sequential statement. For example, suppose here we give a print statement like this. Print your name. For example, your name. After this print statement, we are giving your address. Then after that, here we are giving pin code. This is a multiple statement. We are print in a single way without any break. This type of statement is known as sequential statement.